Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and staying safe at your home. Okay, in today's section, we are going to learn the poem. Yes, what is the topic of the poem? See here. I am a tree. I am a tree. Okay, shall we? Yes, before getting into the poem, now I am going to describe the parts of trees. Look at the first one. Yes, what is this? Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. And then this part is called crown. C-R-O-W-N. Look at this. Yes, these are all crown. Very good. And what is this? You all know very well. What is this? Yes, fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. And this part is called branch. This part is called branch. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. This one is trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. What is this? Yes, trunk. We use this part to make a furniture. Okay. Finally, what is this? Yes, this is root. Most important thing for a tree. Root. R-O-O-T-S. Okay, children, have you all understood the parts of the trees? Shall we move on to the poem? Yes. Very good. First, we are going to learn the hard words. Okay. Grow, develop. Grow, develop. Spread, to cover a large area. Spread, to cover a large area. Catch, hold. Catch, hold. Fresh, clean. Fresh, clean. Breathe, take air into your lungs and blow it out again. Breathe, take air into your lungs and blow it out again. Wonderful, extremely good. Wonderful, extremely good. Okay, children, grow, develop. What it will grow? Yes, develop. See how the trees are developed like this? Yes, grow means develop. Spread, to cover a large area. Spread in the sense spreading each everywhere. Okay, which means to cover a large area. Catch, hold. Catch means holding something. Fresh, clean. Fresh. What's in the fresh? Yes, clean. Breathe. Take air into your lung and blow it out again. Okay, what is in the breathe? Yes, we breathe. No, we take air inside and blow it out again. Wonderful. Extremely good. What's in wonderful? Yes, extremely good. Okay, children, have you all understood the hard words? Once again, I am going to read. Listen carefully. Grow, develop. Spread, to cover a large area. Catch, hold. Fresh, clean. Breathe, take air into your lungs and blow it out again. Wonderful, extremely good. Wonderful, extremely good. Okay, children, now we are going to learn the poem. Okay. I was once a small seed. The sun and water made me grow into a big tree. I spread my roots below to hold the earth. I spread my leaves above to catch fresh air. I am also the home of many animals. Children, do you know that? Okay, children, once I am going to read. Okay. I was once a small seed. The sun and water made me grow into a big tree. I spread my roots below to hold the earth. I spread my leaves above to catch fresh air. I am also the home of many animals. Children, do you know that? Yes, now I am going to explain the poem. Okay. I was once a small seed. Here I represent the tree. Okay. Which one is once a small seed? Yes. The tree was once upon a time, it was a small seed. Small in the sense very little seed. The sun and water made me grow into a Yes, to cover a large area. What is meant by spread? To cover a large area. See, like this, the tree spread the root below to hold the earth. I spread my leaves above to catch fresh air. See, like this, it spread the leaves to catch a fresh air. Okay. I am also the home of many animals. I already told you what represents I. Yes, I represent the tree. I am also the home of many animals. The tree is home for many animals. Children, do you know that? Children, do you know that? Okay, children, I am going to read the poem. Listen carefully. I was once a small seed. The sun and water made me grow into a big tree. I spread my roots below to hold the earth. I spread my leaves above to catch fresh air. I am also the home of many animals. Children, do you know that? I give you food. I give you shade. I hold the earth and help you breathe. So, dear children, do not cut me, for I am useful to many. I am a wonderful tree. Save me. I give you food. Yes, tree gives us food. Okay. I give you shade. What is meant by that? Yes, trees gives us shade. During summer season, while the sun is scorching very much wind, what will you do? Yes, we go under the tree for a shade. I hold the earth. Tree hold the earth and help you breathe. What's meant by breathe? Take air into your lungs and blow it out again. Okay. Tree receives carbon dioxide and release what? Yes, oxygen. We need oxygen for living. So, and help you breathe. So, dear children, who are they? Yes, dear children, don't cut me, for I am useful to many. So, don't cut me. Who is saying? The tree is saying, don't cut me. I am useful for you in many ways. I am a wonderful tree. What is meant by wonderful? Extremely good. Wonderful means extremely good. So, tree is extremely good thing. Okay. Save me. Finally, what we have to do? Yes, we have to save trees. We should not cut the trees. Okay, children. One side I am going to read. Listen. I give you food. I give you shade. I hold the earth and help you to breathe. So, dear children, do not cut me, for I am useful to many. I am a wonderful tree. Save me. Okay, children. Now we are going to see the pronunciation of some words. Okay. What is the? See the first line. Yes, food. What is the spelling for food? F-O-O-D, food. And then shade. Yes, H-A-D-E, shade. Earth, hold. Hold means H-O-L-D. And what is meant by hold? Yes, catch. Earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Here, wonderful, W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful. Okay, children, have you all understood?
Now we are going to see an activity related to the poem I am a tree. What is the topic of the poem, children? I am a tree. I was once a small seed. I represent to the tree. The sun and water made me grow into a big tree. The sun and water made me grow into a big tree. So who made it to become a big tree, children? Yes, the sun and water made it to become a big tree. I spread my roots below to hold the earth. I spread my roots below to hold the earth. So the tree spread its roots to hold the earth. I spread my leaves above to catch fresh air. So what is this, children? Yes, this is a leaves. I spread my leaves above. So the tree spread their leaves above to catch the fresh air. I am also the home of many animals. I am also the home of many animals. Here the tree is also the home for many animals. Children, do you know that I give you food, I give you shade? So children, the tree gives us food, shade, etc. See here, the tree gives us fruits like this. So the tree give you food and give you shade. I hold the earth and help you breathe. I hold the earth and help you breathe. Okay children, the tree help us to breathe. It take carbon dioxide inside and release oxygen to us. So, dear children, do not cut me, for I am useful to many. I am a wonderful tree. The tree is saying, dear children, don't cut me. I am useful for you in many things. So, the tree is saying, don't cut me. I am a wonderful tree. Save me. Finally, the tree is saying, I am a wonderful tree. Don't cut me. Save me. Children, I am going to read the poem once again. Listen carefully. I was once a small seed. The sun and water made me grow into a big tree. I spread my roots below to hold the earth. I spread my leaves above to catch fresh air. I am also the home of many animals. Children, do you know that I give you food, I give you shade, I hold the earth and help you breathe. So, dear children, do not cut me, for I am useful to many. I am a wonderful tree. Save me. Have you all understood the poem, children? So, don't cut the tree, children. Try to plant at least one tree. Have you all understood the poem? Thank you.
I am a tree, I am a tree, with a dark green crown and a thick strong trunk above the ground. I give you food, I give you fruits, I give you medicines, I give you woods. I need some sunlight and some fresh air. I need some water and your loving care. And your loving care. And your loving care.
Children, now we are going to write your classwork note for the lesson 2. What is the title, children? I am a tree. First, we are going to write D words, Roman letter 1. D words. W O R D S. First one is breathe. B R E A T H E. Breathe. Second one is wonderful. 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 Third one is catch. 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 Fourth one is spread. 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 Fifth one fresh. 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 Six. Grow. 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 Number 7. Hold. 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 Number 8. Earth. 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 Useful. 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 Number 10 is save. 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 Children, I am going to read the D words one by one. Listen carefully. Breathe. Wonderful. Catch. Spread. Fresh. Grow. Hold. Earth. Useful. Save. Roman letter 2. Synonyms. 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 Number 1. Earth. 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 In this poem, the synonym for earth is soil. 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 Earth. Soil. Number 2. Wonderful. 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 Synonymous. Extremely good. EXTREMELY. Extremely good. GOOD. Wonderful. Extremely good. Third. Fresh. 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 Synonymous. Clean. 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 Fresh. Clean. Fourth one is grow. 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 Grow means develop. DEVELOP. Grow. Develop. Fifth one is catch. 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 To hold. TO. To hold. HOLD, hold. 6. Spread, SPREAD, spread. Synonyms for spread is to cover a large area. 2. Cover. COVER, cover a large. LARGE, large area. AREA. Roman letter 3. Antonyms: ANTONYMS. Antonyms. First one is small. SMALL, small. Antonym for small is big. BIG, big. Small, big. Number 2. Above. ABOVE, above. Below. BELOW, above, below. Third one, many. MANY, many. Few. FEW, few. Number 4. Give. GIVE, give. Antonym for give is take. TAKE, take. Number 5. Hold. HOLD, hold. Answer is release. RELEASE. Children, I am going to read. Listen carefully. Synonyms: earth, soil, wonderful, extremely good, fresh, clean, grow, develop, catch, to hold, spread, to cover a large area. Third Roman letter is antonyms: small, big, above, below, many, few, give, take, hold, release. Children, for your home assignment, you have to write the words, synonyms, antonyms in your English classroom note neatly. Okay? Thank you, children.
Okay, children. Now it's a time for home assignment. Okay. What's your home assignment? Yes. Write the words, synonyms and antonyms in your classroom note. What do you want to do? Yes. You have to write the words, synonyms and antonyms in your English classroom note neatly. Okay. And then activity also there for you. You have to complete your given assignment. I have given a worksheet for you. You have to finish it and send it in your WhatsApp group. Thank you, children.